Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be fixing a handbrake button on Peugeot 3008. This particular model is 2011 model, and so we're just going to show you what the problem is. Okay, there we go. So the kids stepped on the button and the button snapped. Okay, so that's what we're going to be replacing. Okay, we managed to get one from eBay for like £15. So we're just gonna show you the procedure how to change it. Okay, it's a pretty much a straightforward procedure. So what we do is we're gonna pull the cover here. Okay, just like that. So what we do now is you got the two clips at the top, so two at the top, two at the bottom. So with a small flathead screwdriver. So what we do is we just press this clip here and this clip here, and then we try to lift it a bit, lift the button like that. So the front side is lifted up. So now we're going to do the same on the bottom. There we go. So that's how you remove the button. So underneath the button here we've got the clip here. Okay, so what we do is we're going to press this clip down, and there we go. That's how we're going to pull the harness out. Okay, as I mentioned, it's a simple forward procedure to change the button, the handbrake button. Okay, here comes our new button. So just gonna slide that in like this. So there we go, friends. There we go. That's how it gets fitted. And now I just gonna push the harness down, and then there we go. Just gonna press it. There we go. That's that done. So now we're gonna test it by turning the ignition on the car. There we go, friends. The light come on onto the handbrake button. Okay, so just gonna start the car up, and then just gonna release the handbrake. There we go. It's released, and then I'm gonna pull it. Okay, there we go, friends. So the button is fitted in no time. Just gonna put the trim back like that. There we go. Just gonna do the same from the front. The button fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.